Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and read Agoda reviews. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and simply go ahead and search for Agoda. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the location that you're headed to, your date of check-in, date of checkout, and how many adults are going to be in the room. And once you've searched for it, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and pop up something like this. Now in order for you to go ahead and read reviews, go ahead and select any places that you like or want to stay, and you can simply go ahead and click on read all reviews right below view this deal right over here. And once you've done that, as you can see, there are a lot of people dropping a lot of reviews right over here. You can simply go ahead and see that there are a lot of pages as well, so you can just select between pages, and there's also pluses, there's also minuses. So as you can see, staff simply amazing, crew but the ice trays were itty bitty. Is that someone's reviews, right? A microwave would be helpful for the kitchen. Location is well suited, as you can see. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.